Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken in DTI. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want to choose fresh chicken, whether it's 2 breasts or 4 thighs, depending on your preference. Make sure you have your favorite seasonings, a tablespoon of cooking oil, and any vegetables you plan to include. A clean workspace is key for a smooth cooking experience, so prepare your area before you begin. Now, let's get to the cooking. Start by preheating your cooking surface to a medium-high heat. This ensures a nice sear. Place your chicken pieces on the hot surface and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Then, lower the heat and continue cooking until the chicken is thoroughly done, reaching an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To truly elevate your chicken, focus on flavor. Don't be shy with seasonings. A good pinch of salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs makes a big difference. For deeper flavor, marinate your chicken for at least 30 minutes before cooking. You can also toss in some aromatic vegetables, like 2 cloves of minced garlic or half an onion, during the final 5 minutes of cooking for an extra burst of taste. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked chicken. After removing it from the heat, let it rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial step helps the juices redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Serve your chicken alongside a healthy portion of steamed vegetables or fluffy rice. For a final touch, a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a squeeze of lemon adds a bright, appealing finish. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.